Hello, my name's Rob Osborne. I'm a former student at CJS, but these days I work here at ITV Cymru Wales, where I work on the news and some of the programmes, including Sharp End. Sharp End is ITV Cymru Wales' long-standing political programme, and for 5 years I've sat in the hot seat interviewing the biggest names in politics, showbiz and in business. Reform are leading the pack with Plaid Cymru second, so a switch compared to our poll a few weeks ago, but Labour there on third, 23%.
What I'm going to do now is record the opening for tonight's Sharp End.
So I'm in the voiceover booth now. Got quite a varied job. Some days I will be out interviewing politicians, I might be reporting aspects for tonight's news, I might be live in the studio tonight, but today's fairly quiet. All I need to do is record the introduction to tonight's programme, do a bit of editing and have a couple of meetings. So let's get on with it. Has the spending review put Wales on the right track, or is the government settling for less? This is one of the final times I'll be sitting in the Sharp End studio because I'm moving on to Wales This Week, a current affairs programme. But what I've enjoyed over the last 5 years is not just presenting the programme, but also shaping it and giving it a different personality, putting my own stamp on it.
We had people striking, we had rail workers striking and guards as well.
Your last Prime Minister was promising all sorts for North Wales. That never happened, did it? That is the end of Sharp End, and it means it's the end of my day. That's one of the good things about journalism, and broadcast journalism, I suppose, is you get the variety. You get to do different things, meet different people, go to different news events. You literally do witness history close up, whether it's covering Welsh politics or world affairs. And for me, it all began at the Cardiff School of Journalism.